I'm Roger Bindle, and these are highlights from the 2021 Schumacher Farm Park Heritage Festival. One of the major highlights for me is always the threshing machine. It's a large, complex machine hooked up with a very long belt to a tractor or steam engine to power it. This year they threshed wheat that was cut and bound last month with a 1920s grain binder. Just by chance, this was a contrasting year. A modern-day tractor was working up the land during the event and drove by. There's quite a contrast between an early 1900s tractor and today's. Demonstrations included wood stove cooking, and I stopped in to enjoy fresh baked bread and cookies. There are many other demonstrations like woodworking, how to build a thatched roof with straw, using a two-person crosscut saw, and more. This year included horse rides for the kids and various farm animals to get close to. And in the end, everything has to be cleared away. Such is the farmer's life.